Hello Woodwords, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to find duplicate contact via contact app. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here our module, they partner duplicates. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to contact. Now select multiple contact. Go to action menu and see here this menu, find duplicate contact. Now click on and see here available multiple options, but I want to match using this city. Now click on this find contact button. So see here my selected contact is 2 and both thing available in same city. Again select this both. Now go to action menu and see here this options action for duplicate contact. Now click on and available here two options, archive and delete. If you want to archive, so select this archive, and if you want to delete this permanently both record, so select this delete. I want to do delete. Now confirm this. So now your selected contact is permanently deleted. Now go to settings and see here these options, find duplicate contact based on field. Now select city and save. Again go to contact app, go to anyone. So see here I selected city 4. So display here similar contact 5. It means 5 contact in available this same city. So see here this 5 contact. So using this our app you can easily find duplicate contact. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.